Hey guys, Akil here from marketingsurvivalist.com, and I just want to walk through a tool that I mentioned in my previous video called Social Page Analyzer. Basically, it's a Facebook research tool that allows you to research different fan pages as well as different posts, different comments that people are commenting, as well as they have a separate thing called the Word Analyzer. There's a lot of tools that are available on this. If you're doing Facebook ads, this is for you. If you're doing anything on Facebook that you want to get more likes, more traffic, or more fans, and if you want to sell on Facebook, then definitely you want to pick up this particular software. So again, I did a search fan pages for digital marketing. In the previous video I did for chiropractic, Brooklyn Chiropractic, and basically I'm going to show you guys what I looked at. So the end result is me finding these two particular posts that was, I believe, shared 73 times, and it's 351 likes for this one, as well as click on it, so it's the same one. The next one is, it was shared 53 times and 322 likes, so and a lot of comments, so you can see that. This was on a marketing page, digital marketing by UDC. Again, they're sharing video content, so you may want to look at this and see, okay, how can I create similar content and share it on inside of my Facebook fan page to get more likes, get more comments, get more shares. Again, more number of shares you get, the better, because Facebook weighs shares better than they do likes and comments, so you want to have a lot of shares. So I'm just going to show you how I got this information. So I used the tool, like I said before. I searched Facebook digital marketing, Facebook fan pages, and I looked here and see, okay, which particular fan page has not the largest, but has a good amount of fans, as well as I kind of based it on the number of people talking about this particular fan page. So you can see this particular page has 11,500 people talking about it. So obviously it's something of interest, even though they have 155,223 fans. So I'm just gonna look at. So what I did was right click. Now this is a cool part of the feature. Rather than have to go to the page and find the page. So for example, where is it here? So if I wanted to look at this page and see what it's about. So if I had to go on Facebook, I would have to go find the page, which I probably wouldn't knew about. I wouldn't known about this particular fan page anyway. But the tool allows me to see what pages are actually, people are talking about it, and it does have a lot. So they're obviously using the video. So they're using the cover image, the video cover, as well as they do have a nice profile image. So this is a particular page. In the last video, I did chiropractic, and I copied over the link. But what you can do was what I realized. Again, it's a fairly new tool. You just have to play around with it. You can right click. Once you select it, of course, you can right click. So let me select it. You right click, and then you go to fan page tools, and then you can send it to the selected post tool, and you can see the different options that you have here. So what I did was send it to the post page tool. So it says get posts. So what I got is around went to get 500 posts, but I got 104. And I went to look and say, okay, the number of shares. So I sorted about the number of shares, number of comments, number of likes, and these are the first two particular pages that I clicked on. So when you click on it, open up in your default browser. So you can see, okay, this one getting a lot of shares, this one getting a lot of likes and a lot of comments. Now I kind of based this on this particular tool at buzzsumo. If you guys never heard of buzzsumo.com, it's a cool little online tool that allows you to search different articles available on the web. And if anyone is using it, you can see that if someone is liking or has a lot of Facebook engagement, like number of shares, like LinkedIn 94, or Twitter they have 191 likes, and Pinterest has six pins. But you can see that what this one here is dominating because it has 64,200 shares. This one has 94 LinkedIn, again 191 tweets. Even though it doesn't have as much Pinterest shares, this tells you that this type of content is popular on Facebook, and you want to go and read this article. So I kind of based how I use the tool, or how I saw it, is similar to BuzzSumo, where you can go use the tool, Social Page Analyzer, and find different posts that people share, or this particular fan page, see what's popular, and you can kind of mimic that inside of your business. So as I mentioned before, you would want to look at it and say, okay, boom, this particular fan page is sharing videos. What type of content are they using? They're using videos, and they're talking about display ads. What else are they talking about? They're talking about the customer journey. So you can see what is the customer journey. So if you're into digital marketing, you definitely want to sort of mimic that and kind of create your own little video, or actually share their video if you wanted to on your Facebook fan page, so that you get more comments, more likes, more people sharing. So the main goal is to get them to share, but obviously if you market on Facebook, your main goal is to get them on your email list, so that way you can promote to them your product or service or offer and get them to buy from you over and over again once you have them on your email list. So again, you can see how you can use Social Page Analyzer. You saw BuzzSumo. If you never heard of BuzzSumo before, check it out. It is a paid tool, BuzzSumo, and this one just went live. Social Page Analyzer. So check it out. See what you guys think. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys the comment section and the word analyzer. Right. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Speak to you soon. Take it easy.